channel. Ayan, for this video, I'll be sharing with you naman kung paano ko tanggalin ang aking makeup. So, this is actually a review on the Simple Sensitive Skin Experts. Ayan siya, you guys. Simple Sensitive Skin Experts. Thank you guys for sharing this with me. And actually, binigyan nila ako ng dalawa. So, you guys should watch out sa end ng video how to win yung isa pang box nito. So, ayan. Without further ado, let's begin with the video. Dalawa guys yung laman ng box. Una is yung Simple Kind to Skin Micellar Cleansing Water. This gently and effectively removes makeup and instantly hydrates your face. So, ayan siya you guys. 400 ml siya. Sobrang laki na niya. And at the same time, meron siyang Simple Kind to Skin Dual Effect Eye Makeup Remover, which cares for your lashes and dissolves waterproof makeup. Ayan. So, actually, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng, aside from micellar cleansing water, meron pa siyang eye makeup remover. Usually kasi, diba, yung micellar water is all-in-one. So, pwede na siya sa eyes, sa buong face. Pero hindi. Si Simple Sensitive Skin Experts, dalawa ang meron siya. And this one is solely for the eyes lang, which is very nice. Kasi, alam niyo yun, minsan kasi may mga micellar water na intended for the face kasi medyo matapang yung type niya. This one, gentle lang siya sa skin and at the same time, for the eyes lang siya. Yung eyes natin is one of the most sensitive parts ng ating face. Yun yung isa sa pinaka dapat nating inaalagaan when it comes to doing your makeup or your skincare kasi manipis lang yung skin niya sa eye. Yung skin ng eyes natin. So, ayan. At the same time, minsan, pag masyadong matapang yung cleansing water or yung pangtanggal nyo ng makeup, natatanggal yung lashes natin. Kaya this one is really perfect and suitable para sa mga taong sensitive ang skin. Lalo na kapag mabilis mag-react yung skin kapag masyadong matapang yung ginagamit nilang cleansers or skincare products, diba? So, ayan. So, bago magtanggal ng makeup, syempre, patanggalin ko muna ay yung false lashes. See? No effect nung wala false lashes. Okay naman siya, pero diba mas better pag may false lashes tayong ilalagay. Yan. Next is kukuha ako ng ahoy, wala na pala ako nun. Wala na ako nung pad, cotton pad. So, ang gagamitin ko na is cotton na mismo. So, cotton na gagamitin ko. Sorry, wala na pala akong cotton pad. Pero I advise na cotton pad kasi mas lapat siya sa face. So, okay lang din naman kung gagamit kayo ng cotton. So, tatanggalin ko muna itong aking palaban na tassel earrings. Then, I'll be using this micellar cleansing water ni Simple Skin. Lagay lang natin siya. Medyo isoak nyo siya ng konti, tapos pa-absorb nyo lang siya ng konti. Then, proceed sa pag-aalis ng ating makeup. Kita na agad yung blemishes ko. Sobrang dali niyang tanggal. Sobrang dali niyang magtanggal ng makeup. See. Baliktad naman. Ang bilis niya. Isang swipe ko lang natanggal na yung brows ko. Ano ba yun siya? Goodbye, makeup. Next naman yung sa eyes. Yan na guys yung face ko na walang makeup. Next naman is yung sa eyes. So, kulang natin siya ng medyo matagal. Tapos swipe. Wow. Liner na lang agad yung natira. See? Liner na lang. Konting liner na lang yung natira. Don't swipe too harsh kasi sensitive nga yung mata, guys. Huwag nyo masyadong anuhin, ha? This one is parang oil-based siya. Hindi siya basa. Ma-oil siya. So, ayan guys, yung difference ng face ko. Nakikita nyo ba? So, ayan. I'll just continue cleansing the rest of my face and I will return. Ayan, ang aking bare face. Wala na akong makeup. And ginamit ko lang yung micellar cleansing water and yung eye makeup remover ng Simple Sensitive Skin Experts. Ito yun guys. I'm back. So, ito lang yung ginamit ko. This one is oil-based kasi syempre, we often use waterproof makeup pagdating sa eyes. Kaya this one is really perfect. Usually, pag micellar cleansing water lang yung nilagay mo sa mata mo, matagal talaga siyang matanggal or kailangan talaga ipababad mo pa. This one, napansin ko, hindi man siya kailangan ibabad. One swipe, madami nang matatanggal. Yung liner lang yung medyo matagal matanggal. Pero siguro, pangalawang swipe mo, wala na rin yung liner mo. Sobrang dali niyang gamitin. So, yan. I highly recommend Simple Sensitive Skincare PH. Mapa-sensitive ba yung skin mo or mapa-normal skin ka man, the product itself is very gentle on your face. Hindi ka makakaramdam ng kahit anong hapdik. Makikita mo talaga na sobrang yung dirt tinatanggal niya sa mukha mo, and at the same time, sobrang lambot ng face ko after kong magtanggal ng makeup. Sobrang nakaka-hydrate siya ng face. I really like it. And surely, it will be a part of my skincare routine every day. So, ayan. Thank you once again, Simple Sensitive Skincare PH, for these products and for sharing your products with me and my subscribers. So, paano nga ba kayo mananalo ng package from Simple Skincare PH? Siyempre, madali lang ang mechanics, you guys. First, you should be a subscriber here on my channel. Second is following me on my Instagram and Facebook page. Third is following Simple Skincare PH on their Instagram. Yung usernames namin will be here below. So, ayan. And third is commenting down below your video suggestion for my upcoming videos. So, ganun lang kadali, you guys, okay? So, the mechanics will be down below the description box if in any case nakalimutan nyo or hindi nyo na-follow yung sabi ko ng mechanics. So, ayan. Again, thank you guys for watching my video and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!